Writing a nursing essay is an essential part of nursing studies. However, many students don't like to write or don't know how to approach this task correctly. So we've decided to help you a little. Here's an effective step-by-step guide on how to write a high-quality nursing essay. Start by carefully exploring the instructions. Complying exactly with the requirements is one of the keys to success. Go through the instructions carefully several times to understand precisely what is expected of you and by what criteria the supervisor will evaluate your nursing essay. Feel free to ask questions and clarify details if something is unclear to you. It's better to have things explained before starting work. Pick the essay topic carefully. Choosing a good nursing essay topic is half the battle, and here are a few tips on how to do this. First of all, you should like the topic and be passionate about it. Then check if there are enough materials on your chosen topic and enough quality and credible sources. Make sure they match your requirements. Analyze details to be considered. Determine the purpose of your essay and choose a writing style that will help you achieve it. Next, highlight the requirements you must consider, the length of the particular writing parts, formatting rules, and so on. If necessary, write them down in a separate list so that you always have them on hand. Conduct in-depth research. Dive deep into studying the materials you've collected on the topic and expand your lists of sources. Ensure they are all reputable and trustworthy, coming from, for example, medical periodicals. Filter and sort your data and determine what will be included in your essay. Outline your work and create a structure. An outline of your essay can dramatically simplify your task by helping you arrange your research and organize your work. You can either use a ready-made template or create your own. A good nursing essay is well structured and has a flowing narrative. Make sure that there are 3 parts to ensure seamless storytelling. An introduction, where you introduce the topic, explain its importance, and provide basic information about your research. The body, where each paragraph is devoted to one of your ideas and reveals it. Ensure each of these paragraphs contains a supporting thesis or argument, evidence, and conclusions. And the conclusion. Summarize every element you discussed in the essay and highlight the conclusions you researched in such a way as to create a lasting impression on the reader. Proofread and recheck your essay several times. Review your writing carefully to ensure there are no structural or contextual inconsistencies and that it's free of grammar, spelling, or punctuation errors. Set up priorities and delegate some parts of the work. Don't feel enthusiastic about writing due to burning deadlines or a pile of urgent tasks. This is a clear indication that you need NursingPaper.com. This specialized writing service has over 580 DNP and MSN certified experts. Any task you entrusted them will be done on time and exactly according to your instructions. They write each work from scratch, and you can get a plagiarism report that proves the uniqueness. It is absolutely confidential, and you can contact NursingPaper.com at any time, day or night, even if the essay is due in just an hour. All you have to do is place an order on NursingPaper.com using promo code YouTube30, which gives you an additional 30% discount on any paper you need. Thank you for watching, and good luck.